Okay, so hello guys, this is my project Knights for CS50 AI. This project consists in demonstrating how the computer can make inferences based on a knowledge base. Um, and for this we are going to resolve some puzzles. So I'm gonna go through and first show you how my program behaves. For the puzzle 0 I have A is a knave. For puzzle 1 I have A is a knave, B is a knight. For puzzle 2 A is a knave, B is a knight. And for puzzle 3 A is a knight, B is a knave, C is a knight. So yeah, for the first puzzle I have A says I am both a knight and a knave. For puzzle 1 I have puzzle 0 before, puzzle 1, A says we're both knaves, and B says nothing. For puzzle 2 we have A says we're the same kind, and B says we're of different kinds. For puzzle 3 is a tricky one. A says either I'm a knight or I'm a knave, but you don't know which. B says A said I'm a knave, B says C is a knave, and C says A is a knight. Okay, so for this I'm just going to explain what are the ground rules, for example, and how you can translate it. For example, for my first knowledge I have this, that either A is a knight or a knight, or B is a knight or B is a knave, and so on. And here they cannot be, for example, if A is a knight, it cannot be a knave. For the same for B and for C. And the translation for this puzzle, A says I'm both a knight and a knave. Yeah, so A is gonna be a knight, and this is gonna be true if A is a knight and A is a knave. So it's gonna be it's gonna be true, and it's gonna say I'm a knave. Because this is gonna be false. Okay. And yeah, so for the puzzle 1 we have A says we're both knaves, B says nothing, the same rules we have here. And the translation, so this is gonna be true if this is true, and for example here A is a knave and B is a knave, it's gonna be A knight. Okay, so this is not this is gonna be false, and therefore we have A is a knave. For knowledge 2, for my puzzle 2, we have A says we're the same kind and B says we are of different kinds. So again, this is the ground rules and the translation. So here for my B conditional we have B is gonna be a knight, and this is gonna be true if all of this is gonna be true. So either we have these two options, for example A is a knight and B is a knave, or B is a knight and A is a knave. The same for A is a knight. Sorry, this is different. So for example, I put it in the wrong order. A says we're the same kind, so A is gonna be a knight. If they are the same kind, A is a knave and B is a knave, and A is an or. A is a knight and B is a knight. So the translation for this second sentence is gonna be this one. It's just other order. For puzzle 3 we have this puzzle here and all the ground rules. The translation for this is just going to be A says either I'm a knight or I'm a knave, but you don't know which, so it's gonna be a knight and not a knave. For B we have B says A said I'm a knave, B says C is a knave. For here is gonna be true if all of this is gonna be true also. as the same here. This is gonna be true. This is gonna be true if this is gonna be true. And yeah, so B says two things. That's why we have AND here. And the final C, A is a knight. C is gonna be a knight if A is a knight, indeed. So yeah, that will be for this project. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy.